Alright guys, today we're doing a review of this Made Good granola bar. This is chocolate chip. And if you look there, you'll see that's peanut free, egg free, all that type of stuff. Pause the video if you want to read the all the stuff there. There's the nutrient panel. There's the ingredients. And here comes the most important part, the taste test. Okay, these are pretty small. Look at the size of my hand. Looks like a... Yeah. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so there it is. They're really soft and tender. I sort of like the berry one more, but this is pretty good. Lots of chocolate in there too. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.